Hello everyone, this is Peter from AOX Automatic Control Company. We are the manufacturer of electric actuators, pneumatic actuators, and limit switch box. Now I will try to introduce our product to you one by one. This is our Q series explosion-proof pattern electric actuators. It has a compact structure, manual automatic clutch. Specially designed motor to guarantee high starting torque and high efficiency, equipped with thermal protector to prevent damage for overheating. Manual override, auto manual switchable lever, and handwheel engagement for emergency manual operations. Limit switch is fastened by two screws above. The setting is simple. Each comb can be set separately. Torque switch to protect the actuator from damage caused by overload from the driving valves over the whole travel. The actuator can be set and diagnosed through the LCD display without opening the cover on site. The effective dialogue distance is 1 to 1.5 meters. Bus control, field bus DP, Modbus RTU, HUT can be provided. Thanks for your listening and watching. If you have any further questions about our product, you can try to contact us with email, Facebook, and WeChat.